Additives in food to avoid for healthier plant-based diet. Imagine you were eating healthfully and then discovered some plant-based ingredients might be undermining your diet. Indeed, it's annoying. Nevertheless, don't panic. In this video, we are revealing 6 secret ingredients in your diet that can be causing more damage than benefits. From enigmatic E-numbers to substances that sound too scientific, we will deconstruct what to avoid so you may really flourish on your plant-based path. Ready to make your already good way of life much better? Let's begin. 1. Carrageenan. Did you know that carrageenan, a popular thickening in plant-based milks and dairy replacements, may not be as safe as it appears? While carrageenan adds a creamy texture to almond milk, studies have connected it to digestive difficulties, inflammation, and other serious health concerns. It's commonly found in meals labeled as healthy, but here's the catch. It's taken from red seaweed, which sounds natural, but the processing converts it into something your body doesn't recognize. Are you unintentionally including this sneaky additive in your everyday diet? Now that you've learned about carrageenan, what additional hidden ingredients could be present in your favorite foods? Let's move on to the next ingredient. 2. The misleading appeal of natural flavors. Natural flavors sound safe and helpful, right? But there's a twist. These flavors may comprise dozens of compounds derived from anything that was formerly considered natural. Even in plant-based diets, these chemicals might be mysterious. What precisely are these flavors composed of? The truth is that the FDA enables producers to keep the particular ingredients of natural flavors under wraps, leaving you to wonder what's really in your food. So do you feel okay not knowing what you're eating, or is it time to explore deeper? Are you intrigued by the wonder of natural flavors? Wait until you hear about the next additive. 3. The tricky tale of xanthan gum. Another typical plant-based food additive is xanthan gum, which is used to thicken and stabilize salad dressings and gluten-free bread. But here's something you may not know. Xanthan gum is made by digesting simple carbohydrates with bacteria. This can cause stomach troubles, particularly for people with sensitive guts or those attempting to restore their microbiome. While it has been hailed for improving food textures, is it worth the potential discomfort? If xanthan gum surprised you, just wait till you discover the next ingredient that could be hiding in your favorite snacks. 4. Soy lecithin. Soy lecithin is commonly used as an emulsifier in a variety of products, including chocolate and protein bars. But did you know it's made from soy, one of the most genetically modified crops in the world? While soy lecithin is treated to remove the majority of soy proteins, which might cause allergies, it remains a highly processed product that may not be appropriate for a plant-based diet. And if you're trying to avoid GMOs, soy lecithin could be slipping them back into your diet. 5. Potassium sorbate. Potassium sorbate is a preservative that extends the shelf life of many plant-based foods. Although regulatory organizations deem it harmless, certain studies suggest that when ingested in high numbers, it may cause allergic reactions and possibly DNA damage. This ingredient can be found in anything from your favorite vegan cheese to the sauces you sprinkle on your salad. So, should you trust something found exclusively in your food to help it survive longer? 6. Modified cornstarch. Modified maize starch serves as a thickening or stabilizer in a wide range of plant-based goods. It is created by chemically modifying corn to enhance its performance in food products. However, this procedure can remove most of the nutritional value of the original corn, resulting in an ingredient that is more about convenience than health. And if the corn is genetically engineered, you may be consuming more GMOs than you know. Is modified maize starch an ingredient you're ready to overlook? Outro. Wow, who knew such hidden ingredients would be lurking in our plant-based foods? But today, you know enough to make wiser, better decisions for your health. Did you find this video useful? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for further insightful advice on leading the best plant-based life.